Welcome to today's video, where we delve into a fascinating topic that's essential for anyone involved in digital marketing or the legal profession. In this video, we're going to explore the intricate world of CPC, or cost per click, specifically in the context of mesothelioma law firms. Hello everyone, I'm your name, and I'm excited to guide you through the factors that play a significant role in elevating CPC for mesothelioma law firms. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's understand what CPC is. Cost per click is a vital metric in online advertising, indicating how much advertisers pay each time a user clicks on their ad. Now, why is CPC crucial for mesothelioma law firms? Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer, often caused by asbestos exposure. Law firms specializing in mesothelioma cases play a crucial role in helping victims seek compensation for their suffering. Given the high stakes, competition among law firms for online visibility is intense. Let's discuss the factors driving up CPC for mesothelioma law firms. Highly competitive keywords. Keywords like mesothelioma attorney and asbestos lawsuit are incredibly competitive due to their high search volume. Law firms bid fiercely for these keywords to secure a prominent position in search engine results. Limited ad space. Search engines allocate limited space for ads, and mesothelioma-related keywords attract numerous advertisers. This limited space elevates the competition and, consequently, the CPC. Specific target audience. The target audience for mesothelioma law firms is highly specific, consisting of individuals seeking legal representation for a rare disease. This niche audience contributes to higher CPC as advertisers compete for their attention. To effectively manage CPC, law firms utilize data analytics and market research to understand consumer behavior, optimize bids, and allocate resources wisely. Now, let's explore strategies law firms employ to mitigate the impact of high CPC. Long-tail keywords. Focusing on long-tail keywords that are more specific can help reduce competition and lower CPC. For instance, mesothelioma legal advice in city name could attract a more targeted audience. Quality score optimization. Search engines assess ad quality and relevance. By creating high-quality, relevant ads and landing pages, law firms can improve their quality score, leading to a lower CPC. Ad extensions and formats. Utilizing ad extensions and formats like site links and callouts can increase ad visibility without increasing CPC. To shed more light on this topic, we've interviewed legal marketing experts who provide valuable insights into CPC management for mesothelioma law firms. Expert 1. Understanding your audience and crafting compelling ad copy can make a significant difference in your CPC. Expert 2. Consistent monitoring and adjustment of bids based on performance data can help you stay competitive without overspending. In conclusion, the world of CPC for mesothelioma law firms is complex and competitive, driven by specific factors unique to this field. By understanding these factors and implementing effective strategies, law firms can navigate the landscape while optimizing their online presence. Thank you for joining us in exploring the intriguing realm of CPC for mesothelioma law firms. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and remember, effective CPC management is a key to success in the digital marketing world. That's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm your name, signing off. See you next time.